Zach, I think you're onto something. This AI coding apps, like, it's a good idea, but
Okay, you guys ready for a story on this?
No, let's do it.
Because
Story time.
there's a reason I was so quick to think of that.
got nothing but time.
So for the last 6 months or so, I've been casually looking for a plugin for Premiere Pro. What I want is very simple. You know, I don't know what Final Cut Pro is like, but Premiere Pro has like all these little windows in it that you can kind of reorganize. You have your timeline, you have your preview of the thing. I wanted a really simple one. I want a little text editor box so that I can write my voiceover script. Because what I do right now is I have half my window is my voiceover script in Microsoft Word, and then half my screen is Premiere Pro.
Side by side.
Side by side.
Yeah,
and I'm constantly like, you know, I have to, if I want to make a change, I have to really quickly switch over to the Word one, type away, then I have to click the Premiere Pro thing, then I have to hit
To make
record.
it the active window.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
So what I want, I was like, all I want is a simple text box inside of Premiere Pro, so I don't have to switch back and forth, and so I can have Premiere Pro be full screen all the time.
Now,
Couldn't find it.
I got a question first.
Mm-hmm.
Are you then going to save your script inside of the Premiere project file?
Could do.
Okay, go ahead.
Well, spoiler alert, I actually made this plugin for Premiere Pro using AI. I just told it what I wanted and it did. So what it does is it saves a little sidecar.txt file in the project folder. And then
it loads it every time the project is opened?
Automatically reloads it next time the project is open. Yeah. So if you can import a text document into it, like a .txt. Mm-hmm. Unfortunately, because of the way Word files work, it's a little they're funky. It's like an XML thing wrapped in a proprietary blah 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 blah. So I can import a Word document, but I can't then save out as a Word document. But I can't
copy paste.
No, you can import. Like you can just go. There's like a thing that says open text document, and that will allow you to import it. But you just can't save it back to being a Word document. You would have to save it as a .text file or something else.
Could you inside Premiere command a copy paste?
Yeah, I had
into
to build
Word.
That I don't know. Well, yeah, you could you could copy and paste out of Premiere and put it back into Word. Yeah. But I think I'm just going to start writing all of my scripts.
That's what I was going to ask. Yeah.
Right in Premiere.
So why not use the transcript feature of Premiere Pro?
I guess maybe I could do that.
And then edit it there. Like, isn't that kind of the same thing?
Yeah, I guess
and then you can export
that? The transcripting thing is like a little clunky because it's got like time stamps to it, right?
No, yeah.
Yeah. I like just having like a very simple, like just, write out what I'm thinking. Okay. Able to read right off of it.
Fair enough.
It's not a bad idea. Because I've encountered this exact same problem where if, I'm pretty sure Windows is just the same as Mac. Like if I'm actively working in Final Cut and I have another like Chrome next to it or whatever, I can't just hover my mouse over Chrome and start typing. I have to click on it and then type to make it the active program that you're using. And Windows is the same, right?
Yeah. So I went through like 3 or 4 rounds of iterating with Google Gemini, just being like, okay, add this feature. Okay, give me the ability to change the color of text.
Sure.
Give me the ability to find a specific word in the, just hit Control F and be able to search for a word. And now I have the plugin that I've always dreamed of having. I was like, maybe I should try and sell this, but
that's what I was going to ask. How are you going to monetize this?
I know. There are ways, but it's like I don't know how many YouTubers there are out there that want a script right in their Premiere Pro, and it's not the biggest audience. But if anybody's listening to this, I'm happy to send it over to you.
Can you sell it or host it on one of these? Like
a marketplace?
Yeah. Adobe, the ones where you can find like the lower thirds and transitions and stuff like that.
Well, Adobe has their own marketplace for plugins. So I could sell it there, and I actually looked into all the steps that it would take. And I could do it, and it wouldn't really cost me anything. But I don't know if I want to go through all the hassle.